Let's talk about some more examples. Suppose we have to multiply 3 upon 7 by 14. 14 is a whole number. I told you already, if whole number is given, denominator of that number will be always 1. Suppose 1000 is a number, 5000 is a number, 5, 8, 7. All these numbers, इनका denominator क्या होगा 1. So we will put 1 here. Now we have to multiply 3 upon 7 by 14 upon 1. Now we will check cancellation of 3 and 7. This is not possible because they are already in their lowest terms. 3 and 1, both these are already in lowest term. 14 and 1, no, cancellation is not possible. But 7 and 14, yes, both numbers are divisible by 7. So we will divide both numbers by 7. After dividing, 7 is divisible by 7 at 1. 7 ones are 7. So after cancelling, we'll write 1 here. And after cancelling 14, we will write 2 here. Further cancellation is not possible. So we will just multiply numerators. Here we are remaining with 2. Here it is 3. So 3 2s are 6. And 1 1s is 1. So 6 upon 1 is your answer of this question. Next question is we have to multiply 3 upon 15 by 25. So we will again 25 is a whole number. We will put denominator of 25, that is 1. Now we will check the divisibility, cancellation. 25 upon 1 already in lowest form, not possible. 3 and 1, no, not possible. 15 and 25, yes, it is possible. Both are divisible by 5. So we will divide both numbers by 5. After dividing 15 by 5, here it comes 3 and 5 comes after dividing 25 by 5. 5 5 is 25. Now again we will check further division is possible or not. 5, here it is 3, no, not possible. But here it is 3 and in denominator is also 3. We can cancel both numbers because both are divisible by 3. After cancelling, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, both cancel हो गए. Now further cancellation is not possible. We will multiply the remainders. जो भी remainder है उनको multiply कर देंगे. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5 and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now our next example is of mixed fraction and improper fraction. We have to multiply these two fractions. First of all, we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. I already explained this method, how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here we will apply that method. We will multiply 7 and 2, 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. So here it becomes 17 upon 7. Here it becomes 17 upon 7. 49 upon 34 was already in improper fraction. So we will write it as it is, 49 upon 34. Now we will check cancellation if it is possible or not. First of all, we will check these two numbers. No, both are in not divisible by any one's common factor. Now we will check 7 and 49. Yes, both are divisible by 7. So we will divide 7 and 49 by 7. After dividing, here it comes 1 and here it comes 7 after dividing by 7. Both जिस नंबर से आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो that number should be same. अगर इस नंबर को आपने 7 से डिवाइड किया है तो you will divide that number with 7 only. Now other two numbers are 17 and 34. Yes, both numbers are divisible by 17. 17 1s are 17 and 17 2s are 34. So after dividing 34 by 17, answer will be 2. Now further cancellation is not possible. We will multiply the remainder. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So answer of this question is 7 upon 2. Let's look at this example. We have to multiply 128 upon 64 by 7 upon 49. Okay, so here both are divisible by 7, we can divide both numbers by 7. After cancelling, number becomes, here it becomes 1 and here it comes 7. Now 128 and 64, it seems both numbers are even numbers, or we can check both numbers are divisible by 2. So we will start on dividing both numbers by 2. After dividing 128 by 2, answer will be 64. We will write 64 here. And after dividing 64 by 2, answer will be 32. Again, both are again divisible by 2. We will divide both numbers by 2 once again. Again, after dividing 32, answer will be 16. And after dividing 64 by 2, answer will be 32. Once again, both numbers are even. Again, we can divide both numbers by 2. After cancelling, here it answer becomes 8 and here it is 16. कब तक डिवाइड करना है? जब तक पॉसिबल है तब तक डिवाइड करते रहो 2 से. अगेन बोथ आर इवन नंबर्स, अगेन डिवाइड बाय 2. और जिसको पता है डायरेक्टली 32 2 ज़ा 64 वो डायरेक्टली भी कट कर सकता था, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ़ अगर आपको नहीं स्ट्रक कर रहा माइंड में, कीप ऑन डिवाइडिंग, 2 से ही डिवाइड करते रहो जब तक इवन नंबर दिखाई दें. कीप ऑन डिवाइडिंग बाय 2. 4, here it becomes 8. Again divide by 2, here 2, here it will be 4. Again, once again we will divide by 2. So here 128 था, ये कट करते करते लास्ट में रिमाइंडर इज 2. So here it is 2, here it is 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. So answer of this question is 2/7.